Hello there. Welcome to our community. Today we are going to talk about when for various reasons you have the responsibility of organizing an event. It will be essential to have a schedule and a guide that makes it easier for you to manage your activities. In this video, I will detail the main activities that you will have to do to start organizing your next project. Let's start with these tips. Have a very clear idea of what you want to present. Define the event format based on time, concept, schedule, duration, space, and human and financial resources. Build a good team and assign responsibilities according to the knowledge and skills of each employee. Let each group member take responsibility and maintain a service mindset. Establish excellent communication. Be tolerant, confident, and always try to show respect. Use an agenda and a schedule of activities agreed by the entire work team. And also, provide original, attractive, and high-quality content. Plan adequate logistics to the needs of the public. Establish a budget that includes unforeseen expenses. Bet on innovation and creativity. Work with professional event photographers and designers to produce high-impact social media posts. Communicate your actions before, during, and after the event. Use social media and press relations. Make a results report with statistical data. Use event management applications to measure their impact. Ask for feedback from all your audiences. Send out thank you letters to the participants. Teamwork is everything. With a positive attitude and being open to proposals for improvement. Transform your event into a unique experience that transmits sensations, feelings, thoughts, inspirations, and encourages networking. Try to avoid promoting the event close to its starting date. Defining dates in weeks that have intermediate vacations. Designing promotional material without visual identity guidelines. Having a too strict time schedule without being flexible to delays. Contracting suppliers not specialized in the field. Not having options for alternative spaces. Not having a training plan for the staff. Using outdated technologies. Having a budget that does not suit the objectives. By avoiding these common mistakes, your event has a higher chance of being successful. At the initial meeting, it is important that you define the objectives, the probable dates of the event, estimated number of participants, ideal place for the event to provide good service, target audiences, the theme of the event, possible formats, a break-even point to cover costs. Measure the impact of your actions, or KPI, through these indicators: number of attendees, satisfaction surveys, ticket sales, income versus expenses, post-event business sales, impact on social media, sponsor feedback. You can measure these indicators in an event management software application. For more information, content, and resources, I recommend you visit DanielaSánchezSilva.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover new content.